message, and we'll call you back as soon as we can. Thanks a lot.
No. Hang on. Say hello. Who are you calling? Uh-oh. Who are you gonna call? Say hello. Can you say hello? Say hello. Are you talking to Papa? Is that Papa or Nana?
Nana.
Nana? Come on. Are you going to call Papa? Say hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
No. He got hiccups. What are you trying to get on the step stool? Yeah. What are you going to do on there? Go get on the step stool. Show me what you're going to do. No. Can't get in there. Can't get in there. Are you going to get up there? What are you doing? You gonna pick it up and take it somewhere else? Show me how you carry it. Oh, I don't think there's anybody here. Oops. Oh boy. Where are you gonna put it? You gonna put it back in the pantry? We gotta open the door first. Need help? Put it back in the pantry. Is that where it goes? Yeah, well that's not how it goes, is it? Can you fix it? Nope. Jameson, say bye-bye. Oh no, what are you doing now, bud? Uh-oh. Can you fix it? Can you turn it the other way? You can fix it. You can figure it out. Can you turn it the other way? Turn it upside down? Jameson, can you turn it upside down? Oh, you just want to watch yourself? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.